8 marks non-calculator question. The question says find the height here. They gave us two solids, solid A and solid B, and the most important part is this. They said the total surface area of A is equal to the total surface area of B. So to solve this question, we will need to find the surface area for both solids. Let's start by solid A. Solid A consists of this cone up here and this hemisphere down here. The good thing is they will give you the formulas. So the surface area of the hemisphere down there is 2 pi r squared. Now let's just substitute. It's 2 pi times the radius, which is 6 squared, so 36. That gives you, so 6 squared is 36 times 2 is 72 pi. Did you get this? 6 squared is 36 times 2 is 72 pi. So we got the area of the hemisphere. It's 72 pi. Let's keep it here. Now let's look at the cone up here. It's a curved surface area, and also the formula is given. To find that area, it's just pi r l. Pi r l. L is this length here, which is 10, and r is the radius, which is 6. So let's substitute these values. So it's going to be pi times 6 times 10. So it's 6 times 10 is 60, so it's 60 pi. That's very good. Now let's add these two. 60 pi plus 72 pi. 60 plus 72 is 132. So it's 132 pi. Just to remind you, this is non-calculator, so I'll keep it like this. So the surface area of this nice shape to the left is 132 pi. Now let's look at solid B. It consists of a curved area here plus a circle area up there and a circle area down here. So let's find these three areas. The areas of the circle up and down are equal, isn't it? So we have two circles. This here is pi r squared and this area is pi r squared. So both of them are equal. So it's 2 pi r squared, which is going to be 2 times pi times the radius, which is 4 squared. Now that gives you 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32, so 32 pi. What's this 32 pi? It's the area of the circle up here and the area of the circle down there. Now let's find the curved circle area of the cylinder. It's 2 pi. This is for this. It's 2 pi r h. We know the radius, which is 4, but we don't know h. So let's write it in terms of h. So it's going to be 2 pi times 4 times h. 2 times 4 is 8. So it's going to be 8 pi h. Now let's add these two. 8 pi h plus 32 pi. So it's going to be 32 pi plus 8 pi h. This is the surface area of this, and this is the surface area of that. Now the question says these two surface areas are equal. So to work out the value of h, let's just write them equal to each other. If you forgot what are the numbers, let's just bring it down a little bit like this. So that means 132 pi is equal to 32 pi plus 8 pi h. Now, what will we do? Since it's non-calculator, we will divide everything by pi. Why? To get rid of this pi. I don't want to see it. There is no calculator, so let's get rid of it. So on that side, the left side, you will just have 132 is equal to 32 plus 8h. Looks like we finished. Now do minus 32 here, minus 32 there. This 32 will cancel by pi, and then 132 minus 32 is 100 is equal to 8h. To find h, divide by 8, divide by 8. You don't have a calculator, I'm sorry. So how do you do 100 divided by 8? Think of it like this. How many times 8 goes into 10? It goes one time. What's the leftover? The leftover is 2, so bring it here to this 0, so it's going to be 20. How many times 8 goes into 20? It goes 2 times, which is 16. What's the leftover? The leftover is 4 over 8. Have you noticed 4 over 8 is a half? So your nice answer is 12.5. This is 5 marks. Now, let's look at the next question. Did you see the 5 marks? Gosh, it's a lot, isn't it? Now let's look at the next part of this question, because it's 8 marks. So we got 5. Let's get the other 3. The other 3 is just a piece of cake. The question says, work out the height of solid A. Let's go up there and let's erase all this. We don't need it. Thank you. You're being very helpful. We don't need you anymore. So I'll just erase it. So we want to find the height of this. The height is from this point up to this point down here. Now, if this is a radius of 6 centimeters, that means from this point to down here is 6 centimeters. This is already part of the 3 marks. We did part of it. Let's finish it. Now if we look at this lovely, nice triangle up here, it's fun. I love this question. I like it. It's fun. Let's draw this triangle here. This is 10 and this is 6. We can find this, can't we? Yep, we can. How? We will use Pythagoras. Let's just draw the triangle down there. We do have a lot of space. Let's draw you here. This is 10 and this is, I think it was 6. Goodness, I have a very bad memory. Yeah, it's 6. And this is what we want. Let's use Pythagoras. So 10 squared, which is CAB. Just to remind you, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So 10 squared is equal to 6 squared plus X squared or B squared. Now to find that, let's do 10 squared is 100 equals 6 squared is 36 plus X squared. Do minus 36 minus 36. Cancel this. So X squared is equal to 100 minus 36 is 64. Now, if X squared is 64, that means X is the square root of 64. What's the square root of 64? It's negative or positive 8. Since its length is just 8. And now, once we got the 8, we will just add the 8 plus 6. Do you remember? We have 6 up here, 6 down here, and we got this 8. So the total height is 6 plus 8, and your answer is not 8. The answer is 8 plus 6, which is 14. And that's it. That's your 8 marks. How was it? Was it easy? I'll be posting a lot of non-calculator questions so that you can be familiar with the exam questions. And that's all. Thank you for following. Bye.